Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is my presentation on my website. My website is a site that is going to be making custom 3D miniatures for tabletop games such as D&D and Warhammer 40k. Here we have my landing page with the login information as well as the sign up and a little bit about who we are and my catch page. On the design page, which apparently, there it goes. It is still under construction, but this is where the user will be able to design their miniatures that I will print out and ship to them. Right now, as a point of conversion, I have actually been gathering email addresses that once I actually do fully launch, I will be sending out emails to the people who were early supporters of this idea with probably a discount of some sort on my materials and the cost. Some information on how we are going to be creating their miniature. This video will be replaced with a real-time time-lapsed video of them printing a actual miniature. This page will allow the users to actually contact me directly so that if they have any questions or concerns, I could be able to answer them. On the About page, it's just a little bit more about who we are and what we're going to be offering as far as the different types of base, materials we'll be using, and what our future plans are as well. And then finally, on my last page, we have a gallery. These images currently are actually pieces from my own collection, but as I start printing and I'm able to obtain the prints, I'm actually going to be replacing these images with images that I've actually printed. So that is my site, Fantasy Hero Miniatures. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my site or listen to my presentation. Have a good day.